Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to draw line at an angle. So for example, I will draw lines with angle, and if you want to create lines with these angles, you can change for the UGS. Type UGS, press enter. I will click start from this point into here, then you can click to the top. Now if you draw line, enter, and select at this point, it will be create the line at this angle like this. I will draw again, start from this point to here. If you want to change into default, you can type UGS again, press enter, and then you can type W to set into world. And if you draw lines, it will be back into default. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to draw a line at an angle. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.